What else you got?
A moose.
Tell him what to do.
All right, moose.
No, that was wrong.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Nice. All right, show me an eagle. I like the eagle one. Okay, wolf. There's a distinct difference. What else you
That dog
got?
is still barking.
Turkey.
I'm not good at the gobble, but I am good at the female call.
Hey, tip it down.
Anything that's...
Just try the gobble.
Just try it. Nice.
See, I'm not that good.
That's okay. That's okay. You know them all better than I do.
Oh,
So
dude. Oh, the pig. The wild pig. That's my
Yeah.
favorite one.
okay, the elk. I like the elk one.
I'm not that good at it anymore.
Anymore? Uh-oh.
See, I'm not that good.
That was still pretty good.
You didn't add that.
No. I'm good at the end part, but I'm not good at the first part.
Anything that you don't want in this, I'll let it out. Don't
Yeah.
worry.
Cow. Oh.
Cow elk? I'm really good at that one.
Cow. Just do a cow.
Plain old cow.
A cow?
Just a plain old cow.
Want to hear the bull?
Do it.
No, I think that was kind of like a bear. Want to listen to the bear?
Yeah, sure. All right, do something like wild, like a cougar or puma. There you go. Okay, let's go small. Show me some small critters.
That was a squirrel.
Oh, couldn't tell. Couldn't tell.
Hey, you want to hear a bird?
Do it.
That's just like a little scream with a...
Yeah. Oh my gosh, that's incredible.
What's another animal you do? A dog. Pack of dogs.
It's just...
All right.
These are shaking.
Yeah, I know. Me too. It's so cool.
All right. All right, just throw them at me. What else do you got, and then we can go ahead.
Make sure you name them first.
Okay.
I didn't know Mixer was over there.
All right. Tell you what.
Freak me out.
You did your monkey. Do your monkey, and then we can go in. Guys, bananas are freezing. All right, let's go in.
It's a female doe.
Okay.
Called a doe bleat.